What is going on, everybody? The drift season is coming up real quick. It is only 11 days to the first event at Lock City. So we are preparing today. We have my Chevy LS Swap Volvo wagon out of the garage in order to get Justin's E36 in. And we have it all the way up in the air on the jack stands, as you can see. And we're doing that because we're gonna try to make a little mini series here of making Justin's completely bone stock E36 into a completely capable drift car. We're gonna call it probably like the E36 Drift Makeover. And this car could not be any more factory. It's crazy. It's so stock all the way down to the automatic shifter in the rig. Now our main focuses are going to be to put a 5-speed in it. We're going to put an LSD that'll eventually go to a welded diff, and we're going to install a hydro e-brake. We even have BC racing coilovers to go in it, but like I said, we only have 11 days. So our main focus is going to be to get the 5-speed, the diff, and the hydro in there. And today is going to be the first video of our series. Obviously, this is going to be broken up into a couple of segments as we go along. But today, the first is going to be the removal of the automatic and the stock open diff. And it's going to be, you know, a little bit, but we have the car up in the air so we can hopefully get everything out pretty easily. And we're going to dive right into it. The first step is going to be to take the whole exhaust system out of the car. And Justin's down there working the bolts that connect the system, the whole exhaust, to the exhaust manifold. And they're being a pain in the butt. We already have the torch out, so hopefully this doesn't determine how the whole project goes, but we are gonna get this exhaust out. It's coming out. One more hanger. Whole system coming out. Hold on a second. Nope. Stop. We're gonna fire it up with no exhaust, just for the hell of it. See what it sounds like.
Oh, wait, a battery.
Oh, we disconnected the battery already. Damn.
Well, now I want to do it.
Wow, that's brutal.
Rips, huh?
It sounds kind of cool when you rev it too.
I like it.
It sounds kind of cool. We're keeping it off. The exhaust isn't going back on. We're gonna have to get under there now, guys, and just start pulling some more panels off. You gotta pull the drive shaft out and more stuff to be yanked out. Letting her drain.
Drive shaft coming down. There we go.
Nice.
Alright. They're just kind of seized together. Oh, there we go. Drive shaft.
Oh. The transmission is pretty much ready to come out. We got our shift linkage disconnected right there. And if we go up to the front here, we have all of our torque converter bolts taken out. That's only an auto thing. And we got those out through our little sight hole right there. And Justin just got done pulling all the wires off. So she's ready to go. We're gonna pull the final bell housing bolts off right here. We also deleted the automatic transmission cooler lines here where they go into the radiator, and we cut them out with bolt cutters. So because we don't need these, just an auto cooler thing. With the transmission drop down, you can see all the upper bell housing bolts by just sticking your head up in the drive shaft tunnel like Justin is. So the tool for the job, or multiple tools, is a bunch of 3/8 extensions, and you can just put them right up above the transmission and pull them all off, and they're coming out.
It's as long as my leg.
That's the way I do it. That is the way I do it. And I'm gonna pull them all out. Keep it out. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Hook up at the top. Give it a yank. I get back on the top. Pull. Let me listen on. Pull. I think it's just the input shaft and the turkey burn and everything. You know, in there. Yeah. Let's just work it. Try to pull her straight. Come on, let's off. There we go. Come in. Let's maybe go up and build up in the drive. Just take. Yeah. Pull tape off, you think? Come on. Just crank down. Let's loosen up a little bit. Can you pull back? Pull back the trans if you can. There's not holding you. Oh, if we lower it, was it gonna go? It seemed like it, no? And then lower down a bit. What's it cooking? I don't know what we're stuck on here. Can you move it like straight a little bit? There you go. Should we just pull and push it? Oh, no. Oh, let me look. Yeah. Oh, I think it's gonna go. Yeah. Alright, just pull. Wait. I see something up near the starter. Is it a dowel or is it a... Oh, no, I think it's just coming off the dowel. Coming off everything. Sliding off the starter. See if you can get a little pull. It seems to be... Yeah, it's coming from the starter. Is there another bolt up there? Yeah, she out? Yeah.
Come down.
Go back a little more.
Down.
Everything just attached?
Yeah.
Nothing touching?
Is that as well as you go?
That's as low as it goes. We're gonna have to take it off the jack thing. Wow. Too high, too low. We just can't win. We can turn these out. Out she comes. Oh yeah, right out. Hell yeah. Oh. We got the automatic transmission, guys, out of the rig. Hell yeah. This is awesome.
Alright, what was that?
Yeah, we have to figure out what was stuck. I think it might have just been that dowel.
It's a dowel.
It might have just been that
And
dowel.
like nothing even snapped. It put a lot of weird stress on that starter.
It was that dowel that whole time.
Yeah, it put like weird stress on it, but
nice.
Never snapped.
It wasn't a bolt. We thought a bolt like snapped and broke. It wasn't. It was just the dowel hanging up.
That's good.
Hell yeah, that's awesome. Nice. Rocking and rolling.
Beats taking the intake off.
I know. We thought we were gonna have to take the whole intake manifold off, but the old dowel was giving us a hard time. We were looking inside and we saw that there was those like threads or metal right there, and we thought it was a bolt going through, but it's just a dowel. I'm just underneath the rig checking everything out, and the reason that our dowel on the transmission was hanging up so much is because it actually goes into the starter. It's kind of hard to show, but it goes into the top of the starter, which is a little bit funky, but not a huge deal. So we're just gonna keep on taking things off, and we'll take our stock automatic flex plate off. Just coming off.
And that's it. The oil pan's nice and dry. The final removal we'll be doing is the differential. We're just gonna brap off the 2 bolts on the top, a third one in the front of the diff, and the CV flange. and this thing should fall right out.
See if it pulls down. Nice, perfect. That's all we need. Let's bring, drop this. Okay.
Lift up this way bar around it.
Yeah,
What's fucking us at CV?
And the CV is gonna go up and around. Honestly. Can you lean it that way? Yeah, perfect. Alright.
No.
I think I do the same thing with that side.
Fucker.
I got it. Wait. Move, put that CV up and make it so this way bar can go up. Yep. There you go. There we go. There we go. Oh, one sensor, or one thing.
How do we not notice that?
Just clipped right there. Alright, we're out. I'm gonna slide that wire to like a direction, left or right. There you go, perfect. I got steer out for the weight, if you can just move that wire. Nice. Oh, you got that, I got the tail?
I got it.
Okay, you got it already?
Yeah.
You got the whole thing? Yeah, I just don't want to crush you. Nice. Toss it up behind you, just put it right there. Right down. Oh yeah, it's like a baby.
A very fat baby.
Oh my god. Nice, yeah, hell yeah.
Oh, my arms.
Guys, we are doing really good. We have both of our main components out to make way for our drift parts. It's pretty cool. The whole way down, the whole drivetrain is gone. And we'll be able to get our 5-speed and our LSD in here. It's looking so good. Alright guys, the last thing we're going to do today for the removal video is take out our big automatic center console and shifter here. It's actually kind of crazy that this all stayed and remained looking like you didn't even touch it, even though we have the transmission out of it. We just disconnected the linkage at the transmission, it came right out, but obviously we have to take all of this out to make way for our manual shifter here, and we'll have to have room to put our hydraulic e-brake lever in here too, so we got to get rid of all this, and we're going to pull it out.
Pretty sure they just pull out.
Oh wow. Get all the plastics off, and we're going to try to pull her out of the floor.
Little BB. What else do we held on by?
Just needed a wiggle. That's going to be our shifter linkers at night. See if we can pull it through. If not, we're just going to disconnect it.
We need some wallet wrenches.
Lift it up real quick. I want to see if that's the hole.
Hey, there's a little C-clip right here. We can just take it off.
Yeah, just lift it up real quick. 1 sec. The whole unit. Oh yeah, that's the bottom of the car for sure.
Hey, how are you?
Can you pull it? Yeah, just pull that thing out. I'll hold it up. Oh yeah. There she is. The outside. We just gotta disconnect. Get this cable through the floor right there. It's actually, if it might just come. Yep, there it goes. Pull it through. Perfect, dude. That was awesome. That couldn't have went any better.
Oh, get the connector.
Oh. Oh, can you just grab her? Nice, dude. Perfect.
Go on with the auto.
Awesome. Pretty much everything we want deleted is deleted. This is the short throw shifter that we're gonna be installing with the new 5-speed. It looks pretty good. It sits obviously pretty high. Pretty cool. Yeah, what brand again?
Garagistic makes them. They make a lot of cool bimmer parts.
Nice. That's pretty awesome. But that is where we're gonna end this video, guys. We made a bunch of progress. We have the trans out, the auto trans. We have the open diff out. We have the stock automatic hole all opened up so we can get our 5-speed shifter through there. So just ready to rock and roll to put some of these cool parts in. So make sure to stay tuned. And as always, guys, I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you all in the next one. Peace!